Ever been confused by the terms syncing and sourcing? You're not alone. Let's break down what they really mean and why they matter in control circuits. Syncing and sourcing describes how current flows in a control circuit, like when you're wiring sensors, PLCs, or intrinsic safety barriers. It's all about which side of the device the electricity flows through. In a syncing setup, the device receives current. Think of it as pulling in the electrical flow from the circuit. In a sourcing setup, the device provides current. It sends electrical current out to the rest of the circuit. Now here's the key part when you're using intrinsically safe barriers. If your sensor is syncing, you'll need a sourcing barrier. On the other hand, if your sensor is sourcing, get a syncing barrier. If you're looking for a barrier that can do both, then Pepperl+Fuchs has you covered. Our KFD2 STC5 series can provide either a syncing or sourcing current output. This way, the customer does not need to worry about ever ordering the wrong model. So next time you're setting up a control circuit, remember, syncing and sourcing are two sides of the same electrical coin, and getting them right makes all the difference.